Hey guys, we are going to know about the scholarship management project in C language. We used main menu as follows. It will show after running the program, welcome to the scholarship management program, and it will show available functionalities as follows. Insert student record, display student record, search student record, edit student record, delete student record, and exit. Next, we will go a brief discussion about this functionality. In insert student record, we are going to add a new student data in file and also selecting the scholarships which he or she going to apply. And next, in display student record, we are going to display all the student record which we stored previously in our file before using this function. Next, in search student record, we are going to search a student data by his or her name. If it match, it will continue and it will show the record totally and will display which scholarship he applied, and if it not matched, it will end at that point. In edit student record, we are going to edit the student details by using his or her name as searching parameter of a student record. If it matches, we can continue, or else it will stop at this moment. Next, delete student record. We are going to delete a student record by using the student name as a searching parameter. If the name matches with the we stored already in the file, it will delete the record of that name, or else it will stop at that moment. At last, exit. We will exit from the code. We can use it when we are done with the program. Let's get started to analyze the code. We used several libraries called stdio.h, conio.h, spring.h, process.h, stblib.h, devos.h. We used a structure for defining such name, address, phone number, email, caste, branch, Aadhaar number, bank, roll number, marks percentage, income. Next, we opened two files. These three, which we are seeing in blue mark, are the main functions which we are using in this program. Let's go with the main code. Here this main is a label. We'll get to know about that later on. This we discussed at the starting. This is the main menu which will be printed at the starting when we run the program, and it will ask us enter your choice. It will scan our choice number. We used to switch statement to run our program easy and a simple way. 0. If we enter 0, the program will exit from that point of view. If we enter 1, it will open a file in a append mode, and it will ask us to enter the name. If we enter a blank space and enter blank, then it will stop at that point. If name is not 0, then it will continue. That means it will go to phone number and it will ask roll number, address, email, caste, branch, and it will ask us which type of scholarship student is going to apply. There are three scholarships which we are using in this program: minority scholarship, academic scholarship, that means merit scholarship, and a sports scholarship. Here the program will ask us enter the choice, and it will scan the choice and it will go to the next function, and it will run whether he is eligible or not for that scholarship, and it will write this function total details of the student in a file named contact2.dll. After that, it will close the file and it will move to the next. Case 2. Here student list will be printed. That means student data which we entered is starting, that means only up to the branch name. It will print all details of the student: phone number, name, address, email, roll number, caste, branch. Up to this, it will enter. Till the file is completed, it will print all student details, and it will sort the details in a alphabetical order, and it will also print sidely. This alphabet contains this number of members in it. Next, searching of a student details. Here, it will read this same file which we stored, use it to store the details of the student before. Here, it will search the student in the form of name. The user will give a name. that should be matched with the name contained in the file. If not matched, it will show no matches found. If any name found, it will print all the details of the student till end, means it will also print different names. After going to check function also, it will print what the details of the student extra we added. Next, if you are not satisfied with that result, you can try again by pressing 1, or else if you are satisfied you can press 0, and it will scan the choice and it will check that, and if you are pressing 1, it will repeat the same student record details again and again till you are not satisfied. If you are satisfied, you can enter 0. Edit contacts. When we enter 4, it will go to edit contacts and it will open two files named contact2.dll in a read mode and temp.dat in a write mode, and it will ask us and edit student, and it asks name of the student to edit. If we enter the correct name which we are going to edit, it will open this file. If match only, it will. If not, it will not go. In that while loop, till the data which we entered before this function, it will totally copy the same details of the student records to temp.dat file, and it will edit the name which we are entered, and it will totally ask the same till branch. In this only we are student info only editing, and like name, phone number, roll number, address, email, and caste and branch, and it will change, and it will delete the contact2.dll file permanently, and we will rename the temp.dat file, which we copied total data from contact2.dll to temp.dat, and it will be renamed as contact2.dll. That means we are only using one file finally. After that, it next case, deleting student record. It will ask us name. If the name matches, same as previous case where editing student record takes place, same that process will takes place. Same contact2.dll is opened in a read mode and tamp.dat is in write mode, and it will copy total data from that contact2.dll, and it will remove that name matched person data totally, and it will deleted that file, and the temp.dat file can be renamed as contact2.dll. If this default is, if the choice which we use it to go in main menu, if 0 1 2 3 4 5 are not entered, it will show invalid choice. And after completing all functions, if we use any example, if we add any new student data of that, it will show enter choice, main menu, and exit. If you use one, it will go to main. As I said, main will is the name we used before, or else I will show again. Wait. If one is entered, it will go to main. Main is the label. Let's go to it. Here we go. This is the main label, and it will contain, it will come to main menu, and it will ask us same from the starting. We need to enter, and all will be done as in a similar way which I explained you before. Next, three functions: void check, int grb, int grb2. These three are the functions which we first function is used to check the scholarship details, means it will ask us Aadhaar number, mark percentage, and parents annual income, and bank account number. It will ask us these details, and it will check whether mark percentage is less than 50, or parents income is 2,50,000. Greater than that means these two choices for minority section. Minority section will check these 2 points. If these percentages, that means these percentage is less than 50, the student is not eligible for the scholarship. Or if the student marks percentage is greater than 50, their parents income is greater than 2,50,000, then student is not eligible for the scholarship. If these two are exemptions for the student, then he is eligible for that student, and the next process will be done. That means, and it will print a referral number, and it will say this: verify the below certificates. For minority section, community certificate, mark certificate, and income certificate. Case 2. Here, this is for academics, means merit scholarship. In this, students' marks should be greater than 90% and parents' income should be less than 2,50,000. If these two are correct, then student is eligible for the merit scholarship system. Then they will ask us academic certificate, and income certificate and mark sheet, and these will be verified in Sachivalaya near your locality. If that two are not there in the student will be not eligible for the system. Next, third case, sports scholarship system. It is directly printing because sports means it is sports certificate and achievement he got, and identity. That means it in what sport he. Next, the second function, int grab. Here we are using SAM1. This SAM1 is a sample one because we used this number we used before as a choice. That number equals to the sample one. Sample one is double equals to 1 means that minority scholarship. It will print the student applied minority scholarship. Else sample 1 equals to 2, then it will print student applied for academic scholarship. Sample 1 equals to 3, student applied for sports or athletic scholarship. This GRB2, this one SAM2 is whether he is eligible or not. If he is eligible, it will print eligible. Not, then it will print not eligible. Let's go to the implementation part. As I said, it will show welcome to scholarship management program and available functionalities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. Let's insert a student record. It will ask name. Let's enter Dhyanchand. Phone number RAM 6789. Roll number, for example, 43, and address number. Caste, suppose PC, branch CSC, and C, it will ask again minority, academic, and sports. Let's apply for minority. Random 16-digit number. Marks percentage, for example, 98. Parents annual income 98,000. Bank account number, for example, a number. Student is eligible for the scholarship in your reference number is 1, and verify the below certificates: community certificate and mark sheet, income certificate, and the certificate which will be given in the college, and at the scholarship at the Sachivalayam near you. If you want to exit, you can place blank space and enter, and it will show enter choice and main menu. If you are going to, let's see what will happen if I press 1. It is showing again, and let's go to the display student record. We wrote the same details which we gone, and it is showing C. In D, it is there are one student named Dhyanchand. It is showing the number C. One person is there. If you press enter, it will come again to same enter the choice 1 and main menu. Search the student record. Let's go. Student name Dhyan Chen. See, one match is found. Try again. Yes or no. If you are not satisfied, you can press end. One. See, it is repeating. Dhyan Chen. Same result. So it is the only name named Dhyan Chen record. So we are going again. Main menu. Editing the student record. 4. Phone number. Roll number 45. Address 1 bar. Wait. And we are going to delete the student record. Let's see whether the name is there or not. Let's see how many students are there inside. Sorry, I entered a wrong number. Let's see again. So successfully we done our program and we are going to exit from here. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes, I am going to exit. Thank you guys for listening patiently.